Hi, this is Chuck at ABR Industries. We get a number of questions from customers regarding bend radius, so I made a really down and dirty home sample. As you can see here, there's 4 different cables. The smallest one is at an 1.5" bend radius, which is the RG58 product. The second item is showing a 2" bend radius, which is the 240 Ultraflex. Then the second to the top would be the 400 Ultraflex at a 2.5" bend radius. And then the top item that you see there is the 400 solid, which is a 4" bend radius. So sometimes the bend radiuses can be a little deceiving. They're really not too different. And if there's any questions, you can reach out to us at abrind.com or call us at 713-492-2722. Thank you.